Tell me the stories of Jesus. I love to hear things I would ask him to tell me if he were here. Welcome to Guitarlele Grampa. I'm Jim Henkel, bringing you a channel that celebrates Jesus in song and scripture. Let's see what today's video has in store. Well, today, just want to update my cigar box trio that I built. I built this soprano and a concert and a tenor ukulele using cigar boxes for an upcoming craft and art fair at my retirement community. And hopefully maybe someone will choose to buy one of them, or maybe all of them. That'd be great. But here they are. This is the soprano that I built. It's using the Edge, aged 5 years, cigar box. I use an MGB guitars, cigar box ukulele kit, which supplied the neck, tuners, bridge, saddle, strings, and all the parts you need to assemble the kit to the cigar box, which is not part of the kit. You had to go out and buy cigar boxes at the local tobacco store. Where I bought $4 a box for wooden boxes. Doesn't matter what size the box is. If it's wood, it's $4. So this box was $4 for the box. The kit's more than that. That's the little tenor. Has a pretty nice voice for a little box this size. This is the concert scale length cigar box ukulele that I built, also using an MGB guitars cigar box ukulele kit. And it's the exact twin of the one that's laying back here. It was the first one I built. And then I built this trio that I'm showing you in this update. This is built using an Arturo Fuente cigar box, and I really like the result. This is the second one I've built using this particular box. It has pretty good projection for a box of, this is not a huge box. It's bigger than the little soprano, but it's really not a very big box. It's not even quite 2 inches deep, about 9.5 by 7. So it's not a big box, and yet, wow, it gets I call these loudmouths, these little concerts with the Arturo Fuente box. I think they're pretty neat. I like it. So that's the concert. And last, I have the tenor scale length cigar box ukulele that I built using the same kit. Well, tenor scale length kit, the same source, MGB guitars, and I featured it in my update 3 because I had encountered a couple of issues as I was putting the final assembly together, and I detail all that in the Cigar Box Ukulele Trio Update 3. encourage you to watch that if you're interested. And there's the voice of this tenor scale length cigar box using a brick house cigar box, and it's a chubby little fellow compared to the other boxes that I used. This is 3¼ inches deep, and it is 9½ long. And it is 7¼ inches wide. So it's about 1½ inches deeper and 1/4 inch wider than this concert scale length that I built with the Arturo Fuente box. And yet, it actually has a softer voice than that little loudmouth concert. Or even the little soprano, frankly. It's a soft voice. I kind of like it. It's I said in the other video, it kind of reminds me of a wispy breeze through the trees of the forest. So there they are, my 3 cigar box ukuleles: a tenor, a concert, and a soprano. We'll see if anybody would like to buy one of them at the craft art fair that my retirement community is holding. So that's my cigar box ukulele trio. Hope you've enjoyed this update. If you like what you heard, hit like and subscribe to the channel, Guitarlele Grampa. I'll see you in the next video.